Hi, I'm Luke Kruger from Clivias, and today I'm going to show you how to plant seedlings over that are 18 months old to their own individual pots. So firstly, you have to obviously identify the year that they were planted. You don't want to plant them when they're too early or too old. They need to be strong, healthy looking plants. You would have to firstly ensure there's a name. There's only a single type of plant, single cross in this tray. So now I have to throw the tray out. And basically pull out the strong plants without breaking the roots. If you break the roots, it's gonna push the plant back and it's gonna take it a bit longer to grow again. So that one, see, that's a nice healthy plant. What's it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 leaves. That's 18 months old. So then with this plant, we'll have to put it in its own little pot. Take some sand into the bottom of the pot. Put the plant in that pot. Oh, it's already quite big. Into the pot without breaking the roots. And then we need to add more sand into that pot. Filling it up. Making sure you don't add sand past a certain point. Otherwise the plant is just going to rot. Shake that pot. There we go. Press it down firmly so it's nice and sturdy. Bit more sand. Here we go. Not too much either. And that's the plant in its own little pot. But now I need to write a name for it. Plant without a name means nothing. So what is the name? Chinese blush cross saying. Okay. Alright. C cross sing, and it's here. Okay, here we go. Name in, done, planted. That's how you plant an 18-month-old seedling into its own little pot.